Martin, and I'm the creator of Prealgebrateachers.com. I help pre-algebra teachers elevate their teaching and save time. I have received so many questions about how to teach subtracting integers, so I wanted my Tuesday teaching tip video for you today to be all about subtracting integers. If you want a free adding and subtracting lesson plan so that your students can really master this skill, head on over to the link above or below this video, depending on how you can see it on your screen. Click that link and then you'll go ahead and download, and there will be a free download for adding and subtracting integers right there for you. So my super easy and effective strategy on how to teach subtracting integers is based on 3 letters. It is right here, K-A-O, and it stands for keep, add, opposite. My students have really latched on to these 3 letters, and ever since I started teaching it this way, they really seem to grasp it and really have built a solid foundation on adding and subtracting integers, which has really made teaching everything else to them much easier for me and for them because they have those foundational skills. So what does this mean? So when I teach subtracting integers, I'm actually never telling them to subtract. I'm always telling them to add the opposite. So hence, keep, add, opposite. And they know this as KO. That's how my students know it. When they see the subtraction question, they always know, oh, okay, this is KAO. So what I'm talking about here is if you have a question like 7 minus -3. Okay, so it says subtraction, but we never are going to subtract. We're going to keep that front number, which is 7. We're going to change our subtract to an add. There's your add. And then what is the opposite of -3? That's going to be +3. So now we have 7 plus 3, which is 10. Simple as that. So let's move on. Okay. So again, if I had a question like 5 minus -4, all right, we're going to keep the front, which is 5. Change your subtraction to an add. And then what's the opposite of -4? +4. So now I have 5 plus 4, which is 9. Okay? Now, if I have, say, a -7 minus -2, I'm going to keep this -7 just the same. I'm going to change my subtract to an add. And then what's the opposite of -2? +2. So now I'm going to use my adding integer rules, -7 plus 2, and that's going to be -5. Perfect. We are just continually keeping adding the opposite. So if I had -3 minus -8, I would keep the -3, change my subtract to an add, and then the opposite of -8 is going to be +8. So -3 plus 8 is going to be 5. Really, these 3 letters have transformed the way that my students have learned how to subtract integers because they are never subtracting, they are always adding the opposite. That was the bell you just heard, so don't mind that. So if you would like a free download on adding and subtracting integers, go ahead and click on the link above or below, however way you're seeing this right now. And if you have any questions, I am happy to answer them. Feel free to put them in the comments below because I am happy to help. Again, my name is Kathy Martin, and I'm the creator of Prealgebrateachers.com, here for another Tuesday teaching tip. I'll see you next week. Bye!